अबे आना बे, कब से रुके तेरे लिए।
Okay, okay,
भावतुक।
okay. All right. Ready? Are you guys ready?
रेडी फॉर वॉर।
3, 2, 1.
नो। एआई। एआई एआई।
ये फिल्टर है ना?
हाँ
नहीं बे, फिल्टर नहीं है।
फिल्टर है। तीन उंगली रख मुंह के सामने, ऐसा कर।
हाँ, ऐसे। और सर के ऊपर
ओ
रखी।
फक। एक
Yeah.
मिनट, एक मिनट, व्हाट द, व्हाट।
ठाकुर, ठाकुर.
एक मिनट, एक बार बोल, व्हेन आई वाज इन अमेरिका, बोल एक बार।
Wait. I was just going to tell you, password
यार,
संभाल के रख.
पीटीएसडी भाई। व्हाट द, व्हाट द,
Yeah.
कुछ कुछ तो फीलिंग आ गया
वाई,
अंदर। जैसे ये होता है अंदर से, शुड आई चेंज द पासवर्ड?
रुक, चेंज करने दे। एक मिनट, क्या? बट क्या? पासवर्ड बाद में, ये क्या है?
क्यों?
क्यों?
क्या?
क्यों है?
I'll
क्यों,
कब?
tell you.
कैसे?
I'll tell
एक
you.
बार
I'll
एक
tell
ही
you.
लेकिन एक बार ऐसे उल्टा होके जस्ट
Oh
टर्न
yeah,
अराउंड
yeah.
लाइक अ
Wait, wait,
विलन।
wait, 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 wait.
हाँ।
हाँ।
Ready?
हाँ।
एक तेरे हाथ में बिल्ली।
अभी
बिल्ली
बिल्ली
चाहिए.
के साथ, हाँ,
अरे
एक बिल्ली के वैसे।
देखो.
अच्छा, फॉर बेनिफिट ऑफ पीपल हु आर लिसनिंग टू अस ऑन ऑडियो प्लेटफॉर्म्स, Kautuk has shown up for this episode recording without putting his camera on, and eventually when he put his camera
He's
on,
shown up clean shaven,
clean
but
shaven.
clean shaven head.
Yes, Kautuk has shown up bald. Okay, and this was a,
Yes.
I mean, bro, अच्छा, explain context.
Okay,
Why?
okay,
क्या
okay,
हुआ
okay,
तुझे
कैसे?
पता
okay,
है हम
okay.
लोग को थंबनेल पे कितना कॉस्ट चेंज होएगा? वी नाउ
Oh
विल हैव टू
shit!
रीशूट ऑल योर
Yes.
Oh
फोटोज।
shit!
Yeah, yes. I
Oh
have to do a full
भाई,
new photo shoot.
भाई ये कल कल का जो थंबनेल, ये एपिसोड जब जाएगा, जो थंबनेल होगा ना, पब्लिक, this is going to spike like this, that what the fuck just
Yeah, yeah.
happened. Okay,
Yes.
okay,
Okay,
Kautuk,
okay.
explain.
So basically, over the years, I wasn't losing hair. I was gaining forehead. Forehead was just creeping up by itself. So as you can see, so basically CD and I, we had a conversation. So options were कि या तो hair transplant करा लो, right? Or you wait for it to slowly fall off all over and then enjoy life, or you just you know take it
You
off
just
and see
go
what
for
see
gold.
what yeah, go for gold, see what happens.
Sorry, Kautuk, one aside
uh,
before you go ahead. I like how you
uh,
began the conversation with. So Siddhi and I had a conversation
Correct.
about a haircut you have to do. Tell me, how many times has Siddhi had a conversation with you before her haircut?
Literally.
It's always after the haircut. Okay,
It's after
do
the
you notice
haircut.
what has happened? Huh.
No, no,
How is this looking?
but I also don't have a conversation about any haircut. This was the haircut, right?
Ah,
So
actually.
because this was the haircut, so and not haircut, like so I had been telling her for a while ki bro abhi what, like, and the reason you want to have this conversation with your wife is because you don't want to spring this on your wife, right? You have to
Yeah,
first
yeah, of
check,
Yeah, yeah.
course, of
is
course.
wife on board? If wife wasn't on board, hair transplant,
वहां से
wig,
अप्रूवल
whatever,
पहला चाहिए.
yeah, to pay whatever
Yeah,
could have
yeah.
had to happen. So she said, look, I'm totally okay with whatever you want to do from here upwards, but you are not shaving anything from here downwards. So
Bro, fuck. I'm just imagining now. Imagine तू अभी ये भी पूरा शेव कर
yeah,
दिया.
और
Full
ये
cue
भी.
ball. हाँ.
Oh
So
shit.
like,
And
by the way,
eyebrows भी कर दे, just for why
Bro,
why
you
why stop
you
there?
you'll look like कांचा चीना, और then you'll look like अपना अपोकलिप्स नाउ में क्या था, मार्लन ब्रांडो, कर्नल
Marlon
कर्ट्स,
Brando. Yes,
कर्नल.
yes.
फिर ऐसा ऐसा करके
Why?
ऊपर
This
आना.
So
is
I
this
am
is the this is
amazed.
the gold standard of what a bald
That's right.
man should be.
Wait, hold on.
Oh hard.
हाँ.
So,
हाँ.
बस अब एक शार्क का फिल्टर डाल अपने पीछे, जस्ट शार्क स्विमिंग इन द बैक.
oh, is that why he was called Shakar? Um,
Oh.
but
भाई तूने शेव करते हो क्या क्या निकाल दिया, सब
oh,
कॉमेडी भी निकाल दिया.
sub. But
हाँ.
like, firstly, what a great time to do it, because my God, the cool I am feeling. I mean, literally, like the air on my head in the summer. Oh,
Jealous,
amazing.
jealous, jealous, jealous.
Secondly, you have not felt water on your head until you have removed the hair. Bro, that first
Oh.
shower, oh, bro, the full force of that. of the droplets. Oh my God, it's beautiful. You can
Kautuk, I
feel
can't
the
believe, but I'm feeling like going and buzzing it off now, just to feel वो पानी का feel हो वैसा.
liberating and
तो
so
तूने बस बाथरूम गया एक दिन and you just fucking just did
oh
it.
no. Oh yeah, so haircut, the haircut.
Abhi, he's not having some Britney Spears breakdown.
Fuck it.
No, so because we had so I was, by the way, clearly apprehensive. Okay, I was like, bro, I don't know what it look like. I don't know for all of those thoughts, right? So so what happened is when we decided, okay, you know what, we'll go for it. So I went to the hairdresser, okay, because I was like, you know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it in stages. So first he gives me the normal haircut that I get. Okay, then if I'm
Mhm.
okay, then he'll go little lower, and then the final padav pe chal uda de pura. So and to do this for moral support, literally for that reason, Siddhi and Ira have both come.
Oh, bro, Iru?
Iru.
Does she
But बच्चे लोग
what?
हाँ
Her
बच्चे लोग
उसका
डर जाते हैं
reaction
ना,
क्या
like
था?
there's so many videos of like just fathers shaving their beard off or something and the child just loses their mind.
Loses their mind. So usually those things happen for very, like, even younger than Iru kids, because they don't have object permanence. So forget people permanence. So when new like full new guys appears, so they're like shocked. But with what happened is we told Iru ki we are going for Papa haircut. Okay. So we go down in the lift, and as we're entering the Uber, she meets somebody from the building. She waves at that person and she says, Papa haircut, Papa haircut. So now people in the building are also part of this journey of mine.
सब आ गए. हम तेरे साथ हैं कौतुक. हम तेरे साथ हैं कौतुक.
So went to the thing, and Iru is there. So we have these videos of just Iru, and she's seen the thing, so basically we made a full day of it. Siddhi has taken videos and pictures of the last of my hair.
But did you do a Anupam Kher? Did you do like एक बार थोड़ा एक अनुपम खेर वाला शॉट भी ले लेता हूँ मैं अपना?
नहीं वो वाला नहीं किया. I was thinking एक mohawk पहले करूँ फिर उसको उड़ाऊँ, but then बस सोचा यार.
But you know what you've done with Iru now? Because now when you say Iru haircut, she'll think this is going to happen. So now you have to take her with Siddhi a couple of times, say Mama haircut, and she says, "अच्छा बाल भी बचते
Oh,
हैं."
it's not always full.
There's options. There's options.
So the other amazing thing about it, by the way, is the first day that you get this haircut or you shave off your head, you will not stop touching the fuzz. Oh,
Bro, I remember when Karan.
Yeah.
I've been doing this for so long. Just यहाँ पे बैठ के
Yeah,
because
it's so.
मैंने उसको बोला थोड़ा और कर, and then I opened my eyes और उसने पूरा काट दिया.
और तू क्या भी खुद को हाथ लगाता रहता है क्या? खुद को हाथ लगाता
नहीं, but
रहता है.
I was so sleepy. I went there and I said, ऐसा है यहाँ से बहुत कम कर दो और यहाँ पे ऊपर रहने देना कर्ल्स. मैं आँख खोला, वो रेजर के साथ ऐसे पूरा घुमा दिया पूरा. And I'm like, fuck.
Because that fade is to now in. So most people have felt this part, that's for sure. But it's such a nice feeling where you just get a little stubble of the hair. It's fun.
But props, bro, you owned it. ऐसा नहीं किया कि मैं छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, जाके काट दिया. And honestly, first instant पे थोड़ा oh fuck, AI है या filter है.
कौन है ये?
Yeah, but I think it will grow on us.
Yeah,
But it won't grow on Kautuk.
It will not grow on Kautuk anymore. And you know the thing is, you also realize like I was most apprehensive, I think, about the shape of my head. कि इसके नीचे क्या है exactly?
हाँ.
ये you know like ये फसल के नीचे soil क्या है? So I'm pleased to know कि it's nice.
Bro, मुझे तो लगता है मेरे बाल के नीचे मैं टक्कल गया ना तो एक किधर ऐसे थोड़ा एक बेंड होगा, डेंट होगा, मुझे लगता है. मुझे थोड़ा लग रहा है क्योंकि कितने बार मैं ऐसे टच करता हूँ ना, मैं you do it and then you start making a 3D map of your head, right, in your. और मेरे को 2-3 जगह पे तो ऐसा कि गाड़ी ठोक के चली गई है वैसा एक है भाई, एक इधर है थोड़ा. तो हाँ, फक, चल मस्त. Well done. So we've seen every stage of Kautuk.
Yes.
Young Kautuk, एकदम छोटा, grey Kautuk, married Kautuk, losing hair Kautuk,
bald
owning
Kautuk.
it, bald Kautuk. अभी क्या बचा क्या? एक good thing about bald is ना कि तू अगर जो टाइम पे भी कर लिया ना, तेरा age is now locked at this.
Fix.
So if you continue to like go bald, you can be 50.
Yeah.
And they'll still be like to 37, 38 का होगा ऐसा. तो वो एक
then it depends on how much you moisturize the rest of your face.
उतना कर ले अभी भाई,
उतना तो बनता है भाई.
उतना तो बनता है. मस्त,
But I
सही
was
है.
talking to Saurabh Pant. So he was saying,
हाँ.
the crazy thing is for bald people, the one thing that people don't realize is when bald people have to moisturize their face, it doesn't end. The moisturizing.
But then, do you oil also? Like, will there be any oil?
So that's the other thing. Ki like so basically you still have to use shampoo and stuff like that.
हाँ.
Because so dandruff is not a hair condition, it's a skin condition.
Yeah. अरे
But
bro
दाढ़ी में
याद
भी
है,
तो, I mean, but you never used to use it when you're like when I had the heavy beard, I
Yeah.
had to shampoo the beard.
Yeah, also the beard, beard
Oh.
rough, it's called beard rough.
Hmm.
So I'm now, by the way, if we have any fellow bald folks who are watching this, please drop tips. For
हाँ.
newly joined member, please drop tips in comments.
Drop your Q-tips.
And on the
Yeah.
and tell us how you like Kautuk's new look.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
Is he looking Karan Talwar or is he looking Raghu from Roadies? Where on the spectrum do you think
You know
he
something?
lies?
I have a feeling I have to now match my personality to my look. I have to get cooler because this is, like I have to get earrings.
Leather
Bali,
jacket.
Bali.
Yeah.
Bali
Knee-high
confirm.
boots.
हाँ.
Bali is next. Bali next.
बाली
एक
बाली कर
tattoo
ले.
तो बनता है अभी तो एक
और
tattoo, अभी
और
gym.
बाली जाके टैटू भी बना, बाली जाके.
हाँ.
और ऐसे एनफील्ड कुछ चला और
तो
सिर्फ
ये-
ब्लैक टी शर्ट, टाइट ब्लैक टी शर्ट.
You know something? By the way, I met Bawa right after I got this. So
हाँ.
I was waiting for the roast jokes. By the way, I was
हाँ.
really
हाँ.
waiting. I was like, "Oh, Bawa से मिलूंगा, he'll roast, and then I'll be done with everything." So वो दरवाजा खुलता है, he saw me and he said, "अरे Walter White."
हाँ, अभी है तेरा एक 10 मिनट का नया सेट, बना ले.
बना दिया.
मजे.
Kautuk, I've got a tip for you.
बता.
So this has been, hair extensions have been a problem for brides. जब तुम 17 घंटे के रिसेप्शन में बैठे हो, so brides have figured out a solution,
हाँ.
and this is it. सीधा अपने लहंगे पे या साड़ी पे. And dude, I can't, like, honestly, 4 फोटो के लिए अगर डालना ही है तो this is the best.
अबे तेरा एल्गोरिथम क्या है भाई? How are you coming across this shit? How what
But this is
would you?
brilliant.
This is why are you getting it?
But Adar, I love this. You know what? I want to do this. मैं ऐसे पीछे चिपकाऊंगा, so people will see hair at the back. But
The shirt पे बाल. सर आपके बाल झड़ रहे हैं. हाँ, सब शर्ट पे आ गए.
नहीं, और कभी तूने ऐसा गोल घुमा दिया तो आगे आ जाएंगे, आगे आके इसको ऐसा करके पीछे डाल, खत्म, तेरे को मिल जाएगा एक.
But this is also exactly what Ranveer Singh has done in Dhurandhar. Because
Yeah.
the volume, the sheer volume. Bro, you know the most unbelievable part about Dhurandhar? 8 hours of screen time. Okay, not one person has complimented him on his hair. Not one.
Yeah,
No, because that's unrealistic AF. यार.
yeah, correct.
I mean, walking through the streets, people should be stopping. "यार, क्या जुल्फ है यार?
क्या जुल्फ?
क्या जुल्फ?
जुल्फ इज सिंगल. जुल्फ है एक, थोड़ी एक जुल्फ.
जुल्फ है.
Bro, अभी एक भी आता ना. If I had one zulf also.
आ जाएगा. चलो करते हैं एपिसोड in 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome to another episode of The Internet Said So, a show we take random reverses, facts, and even personal stories, and we talk about it. And we have to begin the episode apart from Kautuk's new look.
Yeah.
The one thing we have to talk about is something that I think all three of us, Kautuk, Adar, and I, have gotten at least 200 plus DMs, if I'm not mistaken,
Yes.
across every form of social media available. And that, you guys know what we're talking about. It is the new Salman Bhai ad for smart money, right? Super money. Because when Bhai uses UPI, it is not just money, it's super money. ये बहुत पैसा है.
Bhai doesn't use UPI, he says 2PI.
2PI.
But ad has worked because this is fully free promotion that we are going to do. Because, by the way,
Yeah.
this ad is such a beautiful encapsulation of 6 years of his conversations on Bhai. Beautifully summed up in 25 seconds. So for the uninitiated, Adar.
So the ad starts off with Bhai shooting for Super Bunny, and it's an ad shoot, and Bhai suddenly doesn't remember his lines, and Bhai goes, "अरे मेरा
Shocking.
line क्या है?" So the AD comes over, and AD आके बोलता है कि भाई आपकी ये line है, and Bhai reads it off the paper कि Super Bunny UPI यूज करके आपको मिल सकता है up to 5% कैशबैक. ये बोलना है. AD बोलता है हाँ ठीक है बोल दिया, and he tosses the script and walks away.
And then they say, पर sir, and he says, logo डाल देना. And that's
नहीं,
it.
he says ad में 5 सेकंड बाकी है तो बोलता है लोगो डाल देना and आता है
Bro,
सुपर बनी.
gotta give it because when it comes to advertising, I think Bhai is the final frontier. ठीक है कि आजकल ये वाले जो ad है ना कि अरे celebrity will be self-referential and make it sound cool. This essentially what's happening in the ad is one of the most widespread Bhai rumors. Right, that Bhai gives one take and then he leaves, and then the production has to figure it out. Right, that's a very popularly spread Bhai rumor which Bhai has
हाँ.
taken and said इस पे बनेगी ad और kill. मतलब जो
Kill,
भी
kill.
ये whoever has done this ad, I want to know how this person went to Galaxy, sat in
Guts,
front of
guts,
Bhai
guts,
and said ये करना है. मतलब कुछ तो होगा. तेरे पास टेप है भाई की कोई टेप है तेरे पास that you got him to agree. It's crazy. It's
But super.
fucking great.
Also, this ad also brings me to this other point, which is that I think this is now, I've lost count how many ads I've seen which are shot on a soundstage. Like
Yeah,
what I
yeah,
mean is
yeah,
the
yeah,
ad,
yeah.
like it's the
It's the
film
shooting
is
of
about
the ad.
Yeah, the film is about the film being shot.
Yeah.
And my theory on this is basically this, that I think, earlier ads used to have this, like everyone just agreed that whatever we're seeing in the ad belongs to this fantasy world, right? Where things
There's
are
some
over the
suspension
top.
of disbelief. हाँ.
Suspension of disbelief. I think people now are like, oh, that's too unbelievable. So now but we still want to see that heightened, drama. So now they get the best of both worlds by showing you first heightened drama, then cut, and then it reveals we're on a set, so it's real also. So then you have this merging, but it's unbelievable how many ads.
अभी है ना जोया अख्तर की आई है वो जो टायर
Yeah.
वाली एड है where she's like again cut but the tire she's like she wants the car to skid but the car
Yeah.
is not skidding. क्यों?
Yeah.
अरे MRF का टायर है
टायर.
जो भी Seat का टायर है.
Yeah.
Conspiracy theory. I think when they were shooting this ad for Super Money, this is not Bhai acting. This is what actually happened. And they
भाई
just
घर
put
चला
it
गया.
out. And they just put it out without editing. And they said, "Arey, how do we retrofit what footage we have? Fuck it, make it seem like that."
Logo डाल देना.
लोगो डाल देना. वो भी ऐसा लगता है अपन में से किसी ने किया record. लोगो डाल देना. But wait, props. Funny.
हाँ.
I'd rather see this sort of Bhai ad than when he is at Yashraj Studios pretending to be somewhere else wearing some chappal and doing that pan masala ad where he's flicking pan masalas like he's Gambit. ठीक है वो फेंकता है ना गैम्बिट एक्समैन में कार्ड से भाई फेंक रहा है और फिर काट
He's double barreling.
he's double barreling the whatever
And-
gutka he's selling.
And he's double barreling right in front of Times Square. So he's taken a flight to have Ilaichi.
वो फ्लाइट टू वीरा देसाई बट और
हाँ.
अरे भाई का जश्न है जश्न का दिस इज द ब्रो आई थिंक it was during IPL or some time it was playing. It's played so many times that it just gets stuck in your head, him actually this भाई का जश्न.
But
props.
what other ads can benefit from Bhai being part of it? Which
Bhai being
brands
real,
will-
Bhai being self-referential. What
Yeah.
ads can benefit from Bhai being self-referential?
Dude, they should just let him loose. The thing is, I feel we constrict him, right, by putting him in this tesseract
Oh,
that we
sorry.
have made.
Sorry, Thakur.
It should
We've been
be like-
constricting him for so long.
He should just be let free. You let him come whenever he wants, whenever, right? If it's on the day, a week later, And as soon as he comes, just hit roll and just sit down on the chair. And then whatever happens, I'm telling you, he said, भाई आप करो जो करना है आपको. I think we'll get some actual gold. ये pitch करना है मुझे भाई को.
But if we are going self-referential, then Uber needs to get on the buy train immediately. Bhai just comes out of the restaurant and then just goes, Uber book kiya. क्या लगा
No,
तुझे?
so he
So one
just
second.
comes.
So you're saying it's a
Oh.
Kardashian style show where cameras just follow bhai and whatever he says, अगर brand का नाम ले लिया, the brand is like अभी endorse करना पड़ेगा because भाई ने नाम ले लिया है.
नहीं, I think it's that famous paparazzi video of him where he's gotten out of the car with a daru ka glass in his hand, and instead of keeping it back in the car, he put it in his pocket and entered a bar. Okay. So I'm saying just borrow from his real life. Like भाई आपको याद है आपने वो दिन ग्लास डाले थे पीछे, तो आप यही करेंगे. हम आपको फॉलो करेंगे, बाद में आप एक्चुअली पियो भी अंदर, ठीक है, आप लगाओ टकाओ एकदम, एंड देन यू कम लाइक यार गाड़ी कहाँ है यार, कब से गाड़ी चाहिए, घर पहुंचना है, ये वो. एंड देन suddenly the car stops, you only see the wheels, you see a black car, and then as you zoom out it says Uber Black, and then he opens it, he sits inside, तुम्हें क्या लगा, takes out the same glass from his pocket, tips,
चलो
चलो ब्रो उबर
हिल
और बनाए, चल उबर और रियल लाइफ से
Like
इंस्टा.
he goes to Rajasthan and it's like Rajasthan में shooting है and then like you just see a couple of deers look up and it's like and then it just pans to camera and he's just shooting a normal ad. तुमको क्या लगा? And then the deer just goes happily like कैसे करके कुत्ते
No, but this तो
चलो राजस्थान, वहां पे
राजस्थान tourism.
और सब डियर ऐसे, एंड देन सडनली टर्न्स अराउंड, मेरे हेवरा में नाचे मोर, एंड ऑल द डियर्स आल्सो डांसिंग बिहाइंड.
तुम्हें क्या
वेलकम टू
लगा?
राजस्थान. तुम्हें क्या लगा? आओ राजस्थान.
In
Uber
fact,
black buck.
नहीं तो इनफैक्ट यू चिपकाओ दिस. No, but you chipkau this on Superman only, na, since they've gotten him. So he goes to Rajasthan, Black Buck is scared, then he just UPI something, he says, Buck stops here.
Oh.
अरे तेरे पास बक्स है? नहीं, मेरे पास तो बक्स नहीं है, तेरे पास भी बक्स नहीं है, एंड ऑल द बक्स आर लाइक प्लीज हमें बक्स दो. अरे तुम्हें नहीं, यूपीआई से भेजना है, दे दिया.
Superman.
कम ऑन. और क्या है, और क्या रियल लाइफ से निकालो.
These are gold, yeah. If anyone makes them, please
See, the
send.
thing is, I see a lot of these guys, they just have an insane amount of ads about Salia. So the number of Salia ads that Bhai is doing, it's the sheer, okay, I can't even start
What is this
explaining.
segue?
So,
What
nahi,
is-
I'm just saying action movies always have that iron rod and stuff like that. They actually use a Salia the way Bollywood uses a Salia. Not do ads where, अरे देखो इससे आपकी बिल्डिंग स्ट्रांग होगी. नहीं, you do an action sequence by भाई सलिए से मार रहा है पब्लिक को and then the ad goes TNT
अच्छा
Salia.
हुआ
हाँ, but-
TNT सलिए.
But by the way, this is so true. The thing that others said is so true कि the Salia companies have a lot of money. They get a lot of celebrities to endorse the Salias. And you get to see a lot of Salia ads, which is one of those
Okay.
rare instances where you see more ads of the product than the product itself. Right? Like,
I mean, the thing is, if you start seeing Salias everywhere, that's a big cause of concern because Salia's job is to be aided. If the Salias are coming out, अरे यही था ना वो ad, जिसका यही था ना वो product जिसका ad सलमान कर रहा था.
but this is what
But
also
ये
brings
देख
up.
अजय देवगन, सिरवी स्टील, अक्षय कुमार, डॉलर स्टील, I think डॉलर स्टील
No,
is
but Akshay
actually
Kumar
the
has also
banyan.
done a Salia ad where I think
Salia ad.
he lands like he. Oh, sorry, it was a cement.
अरे वो है देश की मिट्टी, वो करते रहता है.
हाँ, so no,
ये
sorry.
देश की मिट्टी है.
You know what the ad was? I forget the exact. I think it was cement or tiles or one of these things. But the ad was he's in a helicopter, okay, and he's piloting it, and there's a co-pilot, and something goes wrong in the helicopter, okay, and they have to emergency land it. So Akshay just looks around and he's like, "Wow, land करेंगे." Okay.
हाँ, ये देखा है मैंने.
And he lands on the roof of one under construction building. Okay. And his co-pilot goes like, "अरे सर, आपको कैसे पता था कि ये चीज हमारा वेट ले सकता है?" He says, "क्योंकि मैंने देखा कि वो जो है ना उसको वो सीमेंट से
मैंने
बना
देखा
है."
ये देश की
no.
मिट्टी से बना हुआ सीमेंट.
Yeah, and that's how I
Yes.
knew कि मेरा हेलीकॉप्टर ये withstand कर लेगा.
और देन
And
जैसे हेलीकॉप्टर लैंड हो उसके विंग से 5 लोग जो टेरेस पे हैं जो मजे कर रहे थे सब कट गए क्योंकि इसको
but uh, I think someone should push the boundaries of Bhai, like which is a company that you feel like Bhai cannot, like it doesn't fit with Bhai's image only. You know what I think it is? Bhai
हाँ
needs to do a sanitary pad ad. I think that will
How?
be the final frontier.
How? How
I
exactly?
don't know.
Sanity
That's the
sanitary pad.
absolute. That's the absolute end point.
Shit.
Oh,
भाई
wow,
और
I
क्या
know what
कर
it is. I know what it is. I know what it is.
हाँ
So Bhai just comes out of jail and he goes, "Stay free." And then he walks away.
And then they do an ad with Sanjay Dutt and Aryan Khan also. So it's like सबके साथ ही कर लेते हैं एक एक.
See, that's the final frontier. You can't go anywhere after that.
नो दिस वाज मेरे को जेन्युइनली अच्छा लगा ब्रो मैं 3-4 बार देखा है मतलब भाई मस्त
Of course, great ad.
वेरी
Great ad.
वेरी
And it's
नाइसली
done.
डन
It's done what it set out to do, which is that it's gone massively viral. If we have been sent the ad, I think within a second of it dropping, people have immediately inboxed us the whole thing, saying you have to talk about this, you have to see it, and it absolutely lived up to it. So bang on, bang on. By the way,
Speaking of bang on.
बस स्पीकिंग ऑफ भाई भाई से याद आया प्रोटीन
हाँ
that's another ad you should do but I saw a thing online which is basically you know this guy Flying Beast
yeah,
yeah गौरव तनेजा ना उसका नाम
yeah.
so
हाँ
apparently he is launching protein condoms
This has to be an April Fool's.
This
that's
is a
what
joke,
I
yeah.
that's what yeah 100% I don't think it here leaves internet in splits
हाँ, splits तो है.
his Beast Gaurav Taneja's Beast Life brand unveils world's first protein condom.
And but like is it? We don't know if it's April Fool's.
Not yet. He's scheduled on 28th March, saying he is launching it. We are coming to upgrade your night performance. It's powered by L-arginine, an amino acid associated with protein building. However, there's no verified evidence or confirmation suggesting that such a product exists or is scientifically backed. No, but like, I mean, obviously, this sounds very much like a prank
It
because
does
I don't
sound-
know how are you going to administer the protein exactly?
Administer meaning what? The protein is laced on the much like how.
And कितना ग्राम प्रोटीन मिल रहा है तुझे?
Oh,
Like
Oh, that's the hold
By
up.
the way,
देख भाई
Yeah.
प्रोडक्ट सही है लेकिन
I
देख
mean, if
मैंने
it's 40 grams of protein, that's better than a protein shake. So technically, people should be buying the condom.
by the way, this Flying Beast has completely ruined the phrase protein shake.
Yeah.
It's gone. It's gone. That's over.
Dude, this the fact that this even was put out I think shows you how obsessed in the last few years the word protein
Oh,
has been like I'm guilty as well ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm guilty as well क्योंकि मैंने माँ बाप को introduce किया Indian parents have gotten introduced to protein do you
Yeah.
know that आजकल ये
Yeah.
because earlier they were like क्योंकि अपना वो था ना वीकेंड पे खाएंगे हम चिकन अभी ये नहीं तो प्रोटीन उन पर लाना because everywhere it is just protein name
Yeah.
one product that doesn't have fucking protein bro Ranveer Singh Super U उसके अंदर भी protein marketed as a protein
Yeah,
bar
protein chips, protein this, protein that. Like there was, I'll tell you the stuff I found.
हाँ.
There is now protein water, so it's water infused with protein. Then there is protein beer. Kyunki why just get carbs when you can also get protein?
Protein beer may not be a bad idea. Like if you're
Yeah.
actually like, you've had but then you're getting alcohol into the system right after you've just worked out. So वैसे ही तू
no
like
this
if you've
is
done
not
legs.
नहीं चूते it's not you work out and then you have beer protein you work out you have your protein but जब तू बाहर पार्टी
बाहर
भी
भी
कर रहा
protein-
बाहर भी नॉन स्टॉप प्रोटीन तो तेरे अंदर चलनी ही चाहिए
Protein तो घुसना ही मांगता है.
प्रोटीन तो ये तो एक काम कर वाई स्टॉप देयर तू विमल में भी डाल दे प्रोटीन
I'm
Dude,
sure
ये
there is a
Vimal-
Vimal protein that is coming. I
Bro,
guarantee there is Vimal
देख
high
कर-
protein coming.
you'll have horrible teeth but great biceps.
Oh man,
Hmm.
Vimal with
ठीक है?
And
protein.
now Tiger Shroff makes sense.
Now it makes sense कि हाँ क्या, और उसमें तो ऐसा करे तेरा वर्कआउट हो रहा है. As you
हाँ.
keep doing this, you're
This is
taking
working on your forearms and
for
biceps and ऐसे and suddenly ऐसे करके पूरा veins बाहर आ रहा है, and that's the close up shot and ऐसे करके, and everybody's like cut.
but तेरा मुंह ऐसा है,
हाँ.
तेरा बॉडी तो ऐसा बाइसेप दिखाएगा ऐसा.
So you have the protein Vimal, and then you put on a protein condom.
Wow. The,
Yeah,
the sheer
you just
commitment.
had high protein, and then if you are tired, you will have protein water. Then you have sex, you get protein. After you're done with sex, you're sleeping. You sleep on your protein pillow because apparently
It
this now protein
absorbs.
just gets absorbed in your body by touch. तो तू और प्रोटीन कंबल पे न अपना, तेरे कंबल पे वे प्रोटीन ऐसे बिछा दे, पहन ले उसके अंदर तू, ठीक है? तो रात को मंचीज हुआ तो हाई प्रोटीन चिप्स आते हैं आजकल. इट साउंड लाइक अ फकिंग ऑक्सीमोरॉन. ठीक है, तू वो भी पेल हाई प्रोटीन चिप्स. और क्या बचा क्या है?
But
हो गया
एक
ना,
बचा है
कवर्ड.
last.
Have the
Protein
right.
shisha.
Oh,
Dubai has Gym Nation in Dubai has launched a protein shisha bar,
fuck
and this
off.
is absolutely
Fuck
legit.
off.
This is legit.
This has to be. No.
Bro, what the fuck? One sec. So now protein gets vaporized and then you
Yeah,
take it
and
in.
two.
What?
But
You are
I think
making
they're trying to come up with a new version which is in a vape, and that'll be called vape protein.
With protein.
Ah,
Wow.
cannot top. But by the way, speaking of, so I thought that this whole thing was a April Fool's prank, okay, which it quite may as well be, the protein condom thing, which led me down this path, okay, of April Fool's pranks. And one of the pranks that I came across was that there was a university offering a fake degree. Okay, but I then looked up other degrees that universities offer, and I found that there was a degree that was being offered, which was a degree of porn studies. Okay.
Porn studies.
Yes.
मैं
Porn
तो पिछले
studies.
25 साल से
Degree.
रिसर्च कर रहा हूँ. I deserve.
मैं पिछले 30 साल से करस्पॉन्डेंस कोर्स कर रहा था. Study from home.
This is the only course where all students do their homework और ज्यादा
Yeah.
करके आते हैं.
This is why,
Teacher मैंने
bro,
double homework किया.
this is the only program which should not have been called a course. It should have been called intercourse.
Intercourse. Oh, the porn studies intercourse. Well done.
Come on.
So now, so basically, this is the UC Berkeley, क्या बोलते हैं, university is offering porn studies. It also has a journal called Porn Studies. So this is purely academic in nature. Okay, I just want to reiterate. Okay, this is really academic.
Sure.
So they tell you the history of porn from ancient epic art.
It's not academic, it's academic.
Good.
You graduate. Come Lorda.
You graduate. 90%.
So basically, they teach you the history of porn, which is ancient erotic art, to today's whatever is going on on your incognito browser. They analyze it from different lenses. They study the economics of the industry. They study the technology, the law, and the labor studies of the industry.
भाई
So
ये तो
it's
legit
not
है.
a laughing matter, okay, guys?
Yeah, most VR advancement has happened because of porn more than other stuff.
Now,
Like more than video games, say first adopters of all VR was actually porn,
was porn, and
that
also, by the
led to
way,
better video games.
even the streaming. So basically, this is one urban legend slash, I don't know how true it is, but please correct me if I'm wrong. So basically, even streaming, right? A lot of the optimization that happened through porn sites where they were like, bro, we have to get this faster. Like, come on.
Just goes to show the underlying current that has propelled human civilization is Tharak.
Yeah. Goes without
Tharak
saying.
in some way, shape, or form has propagated human civilization.
Now the question, of course, okay, because if this was ever introduced in India, the first question that people would ask is, I mean, sorry, not the first question. After several questions, the next question they would ask is, तो इसका job prospects क्या है?
Where can I apply?
Where can I? Where can I apply? By the way, this is one of those places where you study packages and then you get a package.
Yeah.
हाँ
No,
So,
you think
इसका
the
एंट्री
university
फॉर्म
is
बहुत
like
अलग होता है इसका एंट्री फॉर्म बहुत अलग होता
उधर एडमिशन डिपार्टमेंट में सब बोले सर there's overwhelming applications for this one course. Sir, people are dropping out of IT. Sir, what is going on? Please. Sir, have you promised something? Have you promised, brand placement or industry
है
placement after this course? Sir, because
so you can get jobs in policy and government. You can work for tech
पॉलिसी एंड
giants.
गवर्नमेंट
Yeah, because
हाँ तो
they have to frame policies no, for all of these things.
yeah, you can become a
एक्चुअली
president in the US.
Then you can work for big tech companies in their safety department, and like the guidelines and all of that stuff you can do research in academia, you can do journalism about this. It's technically part of the creator economy. You can specialize in law. Okay, there are several cases, right, that also involve pornography, so you can be a specialist in that after your
So
degree.
everything but do the actual thing. तो ऐसे periphery पे रहेगा. Imagine
Because
doing
you
this
can't
course.
put that in the brochure, na, ki after this
Yeah.
course you will get.
After this, you can write a thesis on what
Yeah.
other people are doing. You write a thesis. Yes, sir.
It's all foreplay. Everything is foreplay.
But the thing is, what are the examinations? Like what, this is, I feel like one of those courses where everyone does their homework properly. Right?
Ah.
Yeah.
Like teachers are like just confused ki bhai, like, you had to submit this 3 weeks later. Why are you giving this to me now?
Ma'am, I just got to it fast. कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब करे सो अभी.
मैं तो क्लास में शुरू हो गया
मैम मैं परसों का होमवर्क अभी कर रहा हूँ आपसे बात करते करते.
Why are you
अपना
doing
हाथ
classwork
pockets-
right now? You don't have to do. And it was not a combined activity. It was supposed to be individual. Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's a group activity now.
I thought blowjob was actually a job. That's why I'm here, ma'am. Turns out
Fucking hell.
you only get protein out of this. So yeah, porn studies. Please let us know if you would.
If you have been a part of this course or if you would like to take it. But upon April
Take
Fool's,
it where?
that's up to you, sir.
100% attendance in this class. Like the lecture before it, economics, 5 people there. This one, full.
सब छोड़ के आ रहे हैं.
Ergonomics.
You're fighting people off.
ये देख, so I was looking at April Fool's pranks.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
because
thought
this
you were,
becomes-
you were giving us some of your
I was looking
favorite
at
porn.
I was looking at porn studies application. नहीं तो ये this becomes that time of the year जब सब brands बोलते हैं कि चल भाई इसको leverage किया जाए, and a lot of people come up with some really fun stuff. One of the first pranks that was done by who?
Who?
On like using multimedia on TV. It was the BBC, bro.
Oh, saying what?
BBC in 1957, okay, said that their full form is British Bhenchod Corporation.
What?
No, I'm kidding. They did a fake documentary. Okay,
It's a
they did
very
fake
niche prank. Only for listeners
only
in
for
India.
for India.
It's
And
a
whoever lives
geolog.
in who lives in South Hall and वो कौन सा दूसरा जगह जिधर बहुत Indians है, Birmingham.
Whitechapel.
हाँ, सिर्फ उधर Whitechapel नहीं.
Whitechapel नहीं? है? नहीं? Other?
Why-
I heard
Yeah.
बहुत public है Indians. Whitechapel.
हाँ, Whitechapel में काफी पब्लिक नहीं. Whitechapel is mixed, but Hounslow, then you have
Wembley,
then
Wembley
towards
I've heard.
Wembley,
Wembley,
Wembley.
Hounslow, and then of course अपना South Hall.
But anyway, you were saying, Thakur, क्या
Ah,
prank था?
sorry.
So वो basically they did a small documentary saying that there is a fucking farm in Switzerland where they do this thing called the Swiss spaghetti harvest.
Hmm.
Okay, where basically they have shown that the way this place grows the spaghetti is from spaghetti trees.
What?
And
Dude, what a simple time 1957 was.
bro,
That everyone
basically,
just said,
so there is a region called Ticino near the Italian border. which is supposed to have yielded the most exceptionally heavy spaghetti crop. So they created fake footage to show it. Then they showed the recipe of how to use that spaghetti and make it, because up until then public को नहीं मालूम था. So people fucking bought it. Widespread. Public are like, oh fuck, did you hear about the spaghetti harvest? And they did a redux of it, I think 2-3 years ago also.
तो क्या तुम लोग एंड देन पीपल थॉट के ऐसा मैं गमले में ऐसे स्पेगेटी डालेगा एक स्पेगेटी का
तू
पूरा है,
खरीद
तो उसका
सक तू
झाड़
खरीद तू पौधा खरीद
हाँ
सकता है स्पगेटी झाड़ का.
अच्छा
फिर तो वो
स्पगेटी
पौधे को
का
प्लांट कर, फिर वो झाड़ बढ़ेगा, फिर उसका हार्वेस्ट सीजन आएगा तो वहां से स्पगेटी निकलेंगे झाड़ से, फिर तू काट और यूज कर स्पगेटी.
Should imagine like one guy spends all this time, grows the spaghetti tree, and he's like, अरे आलियो ओलियो निकले हैं." तो
उसके
अरबी
लिए
आटा
गार्लिक
चाहिए था.
उगाना पड़ेगा. हाँ.
But
Then they
But there was this one radio thing that had happened once where a radio channel had started a contest where if you tattoo the radio station's name KRUD on
hmm,
your forehead, they will give you $250,000
hmm,
and April Fool prank. And now there was a man who wanted to save his parents' house from foreclosure. कि भाई मैं अपने माँ बाप का घर बचा सकता हूँ 250,000 से. वो गया टैटू मार के क्रड अपने फोरहेड पे और पहुंच गया यहाँ पे, और उन लोग ने बोला उसको अप्रैल फूल. सो नाउ ही हैज सूड द रेडियो स्टेशन
for even more.
and yeah, and the judge has ruled this guy gets $500,000.
fuck
Success.
off.
All right. So, by the way, so brands love getting in on the April Fools bandwagon. They love having these prank things, that prank features, etc. Right. So some of the best ones that I've
हाँ.
come across are these. So I loved this. Kingfisher in 2019 came out with a Kingfisher instant beer sachet,
Yeah.
where you just had, it was a sachet, you just opened it, put it in water, and it would make the water into chilled beer. Great idea. And if anyone can actually make this happen, it's a $1 billion idea waiting to happen. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, in
वो
fact,
था.
Kingfisher has done a lot. Back when Malia was here and airlines, I think 2006 mein or something, they had done a Kingfisher standing ticket at 99 rupees. What
Nice.
Ryanair is actually considering doing, when the CEO came
Yeah.
in an interview and said, yeah, we could do it. And he was very matter of fact, कि खड़े रह के जा सकते हैं. तो Kingfisher had done this. And a lot of people fell for that also, कि fuck, Kingfisher में खड़ा रह के 99 rupees में जा सकते हैं. फिर
The
मालूम पड़ा
biggest
कि
prank that Kingfisher did was they took 12,000 crores
crore.
of
Ah.
money from the staff of Kingfisher and then never gave it back only.
Yeah, they said दे
Oh!
देंगे.
बोला April Fool.
ओ, और क्या प्रैंक है अभी तक.
जो थे उसने अप्रैल फूल क्या है, जैन फूल, फेब फूल, मार्च फूल, अप्रैल फूल, मई फूल.
Then Tinder did one prank which caused quite a sensation. So they had done
Hmm.
again, and this was a while back. They claimed that they would start verifying users based on their height, okay, to stop height fishing. So height fishing is like catfishing but for height. So public
Yeah.
बोलता है, hey, I'm 6'1". Then you meet
बटले
them.
लोग स्टूल पे खड़े होके फोटो डाल रहे हैं
हाँ,
पब्लिक के साथ.
then you meet them and they are 5'7" or whatever, and they're like, how did you hallucinate these extra few inches? So to do that, they came up with this thing saying April's Fool ki array, we're starting verifying users based on their height. And a lot of short dudes were like, ये गलत है, ये गलत है, ये नहीं करना चाहिए. So then they had to come out and clarify कि ये गलत तो था.
See
Starbucks.
that,
But also the people who would get pissed off are the people who are lying. Like
Yeah,
जो normal
exactly.
सच बोल रहे हैं उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ा. Basically you're just saying कि तेरे को झूठ बोलना है. That's why you're getting
बस
angry.
that's it, yeah. कि अरे ऐसे कैसे मैं तो क्या हुआ, मैं 5.5 फुट का हूँ, नहीं कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं, तू बन 5.5 फुट का, नो
हाँ.
प्रॉब्लम. बट तू ये
झूठ
मत
क्यों
बोल कि
बोल
तू
रहा है?
6'2" है. हाँ, तू 6'2" है. तू 5.5 फुट का होके कोई 6 फुट के कंधे पे खड़े रह के अपना फोटो डाल रहा है, तो वो गलत है. इनफैक्ट
क्या
ब्रो,
11 फुट का आदमी.
नहीं वो 6 फुट वाला बैठा है ना.
अच्छा.
Then
So Ola had done one. Okay, I remember it was Ola restroom. ये याद है तेरे को?
oh नहीं क्या था ये?
तो bro, this is again 2018 or 19 that I done, where Ola has said, announcing new feature ओला रेस्ट रूम. सो तू जिधर भी है ना, तेरे को टॉयलेट जाना है तो तू एक बुक कर, तो एक मोबाइल टॉयलेट तेरे पास आएगा.
अच्छा, मोबाइल टॉयलेट तेरे पास आएगी. Not that a car will take you to a toilet. No.
भाई if they can execute this is brilliant.
No,
No, so
need of the hour.
basically, it allowed the users to book mobile toilet directly to their location.
But it's Mumbai traffic, so by the time it comes,
You have
क्या
to
हो
control.
जाएगा यार उधर ही.
You've also gone. By the
But-
time it
but-
comes, you've gone.
You know, I'm also certain that at some point, if someone invents this, because it's waiting to happen, at some point there'll be one glitch. Okay, there's a person whose mobile toilet has come. He has opened it, gone inside, sat down, is taking a nice leisurely dump. But the app has now taken another booking. So while you're sitting there, suddenly,
You have been taken from Bandra to Chembur. Now you are sitting there on a fucking pot.
and then
Isn't
the
that
next
great?
guy opens.
But isn't this great? Suppose तुझे बैंड्रा तुझे घर से निकल के बैंड्रा पहुंचना है, but you don't have time to go to the toilet, so you just call a mobile toilet and you say मुझे बैंड्रा ड्रॉप कर और साथ में तू अपना
But
खत्म
वो
भी कर रहा है.
लोचा वही है ना, वो तेरे को ड्रॉप नहीं करेगा, उसको ऊपर से देना पड़ेगा कि साहब मैं आपको ऊपर से देता हूँ थोड़ा, क्योंकि his job is that he'll come
मैं
stand there.
नीचे से दे रहा हूँ, ऊपर से नहीं दे रहा.
This is the only thing where it drops you and you also drop it.
You also drop. Why they should have called it Olu.
Ah.
Oh God.
या तो धोला. धोला.
Pooper.
Uber is also funny.
Uber is great. Uber is great. Uber, come on, make this happen, guys.
Uber या
Please.
ओलू टट्टी टट्टी करते जाओ. क्या बात है
Guys,
भाई.
let us know in the comments what is the next strategy that should
But-
be
but-
employed
and-
by
And
Ola
then
or Uber.
they'll have tiers in this also, na? कि तेरा Uber basic, Uber Go.
तेरा उबर गो में यू कैन जस्ट गो, ठीक है, और बाकी सब तेरे को खुद का लेके आने का. यार ट्रेन में कैसे जाते हो, सब छोड़ देते ना उन लोग ट्रैक्स पे, तो उधर वैसा है. जस्ट उबर गो की चलते चलते तू ड्रॉप कर, हाईवे पे छोड़ दे किधर, नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है. देन इज उबर प्राइम, यू विल गेट टिश्यू, देन उबर एक्स या जो व्हाटएवर इज एग्जीक्यूटिव प्रो मैक्स जो भी है, उसमें पानी और हैंड जेट.
Oh my God. Dude, it changes the definition of Kali Pili.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Fuck, this should be a real thing, bro.
This has to be. This has to be.
Fucking amazing.
There was what other pranks do you think brands can play? Which brand do you think should play one?
But bro, Urban Company had done one, okay, where it's a Urban Company sleep at home service.
What?
Sleep at home service, where you can book a dude who will come home and put you to sleep. So they come equipped with lullabies, massage techniques, oh shit, and soothing bedtime stories to cure insomnia.
But the thing is, why this will never work. Can I tell you why this will never work? Because this dude will come, okay? He's excellent at his job. He'll have a lullaby, he'll massage you, he'll do everything. You go to sleep. And then as soon as you go to sleep, he'll wake you up. Sir, wo ending ka OTP.
Are you like mother? अब भी जस्ट सोया सर, वो ना तो वो जॉब बंद नहीं होगा ना सर, फिर क्या हमारे से कटेगा, फिर प्रॉब्लम हो सर.
Never ending loop. फिर तो उठ के OTP देगा, फिर बोलेगा अभी वापस सुना. हाँ ठीक
अभी
है.
वापस सुन ला, फिर वापस
फिर
उठेगा.
वापस उठ.
एंड इवेंचुअली यू विल गिव हिम योर फोन के, ये ले मेरा फोन, मेरा पासवर्ड 1248 है, छूते खोल देख OTP, और तू खुद देख के जा, दरवाजा बंद करके जाना. अच्छा हाँ सर, नो प्रॉब्लम. Complete trust with this dude who you have voluntarily led into your home to make you fall asleep. Oh shit. Urban Company. Oh fuck. Okay.
Oh,
और
shit.
क्या है? Make My Trip travel booking platform launched a very realistic looking landing page offering affordable holiday packages to moon, Mars, and other parts to the edge of space.
और पब्लिक ने खरीद लिया.
They have
Guarantee
zero gravity spa sessions, crater hopping tours. Good luck.
Like others. Other immediately was like 100% खरीदा.
मेरे को लगता है इसने ही किया है. One of the people. Ah, yes.
I have taken a crater hopping. I was supposed to go bungee jumping in a crater. Didn't happen on the moon.
No, they'll tell you crater hopping. They'll actually take you also to one of the construction sites that are here. And then
But
put you
actually
there.
bungee jumping on the moon is better because the gravity is low, तो थोड़ा धीरे जाता है, so it won't be as terrifying for you. So you'll go a little slower down. So
अबे
actually
तो ऐसे
bungee
हाल
jumping.
तू ऐसा ऊपर जाएगा और तू जंप मारेगा, तू जाएगा ही नहीं नीचे. तू चूतिया
अबे
फ्लोट ही
थोड़ा
होते
तो
रहेगा.
ग्रेविटी है ना, नीचे आएगा तू.
1/6 ग्रेविटी है वो, तो कितना हल्लू आएगा.
हाँ. So it's a children's version of a bungee jump.
हाँ, बेसिकली.
What other?
मुंबई मिरर याद है, बहुत पढ़ता था मैं. मुंबई मिरर मेरा फेवरेट था.
Hmm.
ठीक है, मुंबई मिरर ने 2012 में किया था, वेयर दे सेड बीच इज मूविंग, सो इट सेड जुहू बीच इन बॉम्बे इज बीइंग मूव्ड टू साउथ मुंबई to make it more accessible to office goers.
Superb.
And it had quotes from municipal corporation officials. Yes,
Superb.
this plan has been there for very long. It was getting very
Superb.
congested at Juhu Beach, so we are moving everything to South Bombay.
And you know something, you know why this is such a beautiful prank? Because I feel like anybody beyond Dadar just feels like everything good that happens to the city happens to people who live in South Bombay. Right?
Yeah.
So, for example,
हाँ.
Postal Road is sab jo khula hai, like it's all first they cater to South Bombay, then it trickles
South
down,
Bombay.
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know, if at all. So, and it just feels like South Bombay are those rich, you know, those rich folks who just take from the burbies. They just take it. Right? They're like, why should you have happiness? Idhar de.
इधर दे.
तो
Seriously.
पब्लिक मस्ट हैव गॉन क्रेजी. हाँ, सब लोग ने बोला भी होगा, दिस इज जस्ट लाइक साउथ बॉम्बे पीपल, दिस इज व्हाट दे डू,
This is
दे
what
ट्राई
they
टू
do.
टेक द वन गुड थिंग दैट वी हैव.
The one good thing that we have is, you know, bus chale to. South Bombay wale na, actually they must have contemplated it once. Ki, can we move Borivali National Park this side?
Yeah.
Is there a possibility? जरा देखो एक बार.
Oh fuck, bro, Airtel. I can't believe this happens only in India, bro. Airtel had done a prank in 2019 called 5G for cows.
Super.
So they basically provide 5G connectivity to rural cattle, claiming that it improved milk production.
Hmm.
So the prank ad featured farmers who are shown making their cows wear smart collars to monitor the cow's internet usage.
One second, तू बोल रहा है गाय लोग बैठ के they're just scrolling on Instagram.
I don't know how that is improving milk production. Maybe watching reels improves your milk production. Then they had Indian Railways announced in 2015 that it's launching double-decker flights.
Superb.
अबे इनसे ट्रेन नहीं चल रही बराबर, सीधा फ्लाइट पे जा रहा है.
But you know something, I'm sure there is physics that stops this from happening. But बना दो ना ऐसे 6-7 डेकर का चीज.
अबे है ना A380 डबल डेकर है A380.
नहीं, but
ऊपर नीचू.
make it full
अबे
building.
6 डेकर कैसे बनाएंगे?
बना दे. घुसा
अबे
दे.
बना वो उड़ रहा कैसा है वो?
I don't know.
कितना?
मैं solution देता हूँ. मैं solution
At no
करता
point of
नहीं.
time that airline industry is like, you know what I think is the next frontier. I think what if we made a building fly? पूरा वेंचर
Actually, you know,
कोऑपरेटिव हाउसिंग सोसाइटी को डाल दो, 6 माले की बिल्डिंग कंप्लीट विद वॉचमैन who ask you to sign and do entry before you go up. चलो लेके गोकुलधाम एयरवेज.
But I genuinely think that the Mumbai railways need to definitely add deckers to the train. And train पे तो you can add. तो बना दे एक 6 फ्लोर का बिल्डिंग.
Amtrak स्टाइल थोड़ा, हाँ, कि नीचे भी है ऊपर भी है.
नहीं, but
Like stairs that go up down.
6 फ्लोर का नहीं है चूतिए. तो ऐसे जा रहा है बिल्डिंग के बीच में से एक बिल्डिंग हिलती हुई दिख रही है तुझे.
अबे
अरे
लेकिन
ये क्या
पावर
है?
केबल्स है, क्या क्या है.
No, but that's the thing. It should. It
नहीं तो
should
वही बोल
literally
रहा है, बोलते हैं पावर केबल तू 6 माले के ऊपर बना तो
बना
आठ
दे,
हाँ
बना दे. Who is stopping you, right? It's a train. तो बना
भाई
के
इनसे
छह.
ये इंडियन रेलवे है बट उल्टा है अमेरिकन रेलवे अमेरिकन एयरवेज उल्टा कर रहा है अमेरिकन एयरवेज रेल सो ये हुआ है दिस हैपेंड अ कपल ऑफ डेज अगो वेयर अ वुमन लाइक पीपल बोर्डेड अ फ्लाइट गोइंग फ्रॉम इंडियाना टू शिकागो तो वो लोग गए एयरपोर्ट पे फुल प्राइस 450 500 पाउंड देके टिकट डॉलर टिकट का और
हाँ
पहुंचे वहां पे एयरपोर्ट पे एंड इमेजिन यू देयर एट द लाइक यू आर अबाउट टू बोर्ड योर फ्लाइट एंड एक बस आती है नाउ यू assuming the bus is going to take you to your craft वो बस चलती जा रही है and it's
Oh,
taking you to Chicago
oh,
they're like there is no
व्हाट
plane available and now you're going to Chicago
बस में
हाँ बस में भेज दिया है
और और खोल खोल रहे नहीं है, पब्लिक बोले नहीं चूतिए मेरा मीटिंग है, नहीं आप 18 घंटे में पहुंच जाएंगे, अबे
oh,
मुझे नहीं जाना.
that's a great prank. That's a great prank. You know, so like you see these people like just the shock on their face as they're holding the thing. They're like, ये थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम हो गया.
खड़ा खड़ा जाना पड़ेगा
Then they watch as their flight is in front of them and it drives past.
They watch as
सडनली हाईवे
other
पे हाईवे
other
पे आ गई
flights are taking off. Other flights are. Anyway, this is from flight to terminal. That bus, na?
नहीं it came as a nice coach it came as a nice coach and a lot of people are like I think we should have got it when we were loading our luggage into the coach ka bottom ka area I think we should have suspected something is wrong
Wow.
Dude,
Wow.
McDonald's should do an April Fool's thing where they should just introduce. We have now introduced the Mac Vada Pav. Okay, and just because we saw Jumbo King, we decided it's
Kill.
now time for Mac Vada Pav. And just do that. I think it'll be great.
kill होएगा kill
Public will
because
and
Burger
then,
King
you know,
Burger King had done this they introduced the left-handed burger
Yeah, left-handed
और
burger.
पागल
Yeah.
हो गए पब्लिक
Public पागल.
लेफ्ट-हैंडेड बर्गर
हाँ, क्योंकि जब भाव नहीं मिलता ना लेफ्टी को बना दो रे काश इन लोग. In fact, Taco Bell had done this, bro. Taco Bell said that they have bought the Liberty Bell on the Statue of Liberty, and now it's going to be renamed to Liberty Taco Bell. तो उधर खड़ी है स्टैच्यू ऑफ लिबर्टी, साइड में लिबर्टी टाको बेल लिखा है. पीपल आर
टाको
आउटरीच.
लेके खड़ी है.
हाँ
टाको लेके खड़ी है ऐसे.
हाँ
You know what else?
इधर चिपोटले चिपका हुआ है. अरे एक्सक्यूज मी मिस लिबर्टी, आपके तो चिपोटले चिपका हुआ है. नहीं वो क्या कि मैं
The other thing they should do is the other thing they should do is Spotify should do a thing where if you play a song and if that song has been plagiarized from somewhere, it'll tell you which song it's been plagiarized.
No, it plays the original song. So
It plays the
whatever song
original
you,
song.
it doesn't give you any copy. So even if you want to listen to the remix, you can't. It takes you back to source material. So some ancient Aztec prayer. It'll play that for you.
Basically प्रीतम अनु मलिक इनका पूरा
गए
डिस्काउंट
गए गए काम से.
अबे एक आदमी ने किया है लेकिन रिसेंटली he's pranked Spotify where he's created bots and so he made fake music AI music and वो AI music उसने रिलीज किया है and now what he's done is he's released it as an artist. So Kautuk Shrivastava has released an album which is an AI album and he's released multiple albums like this and then he's hired bots which are thousands upon thousands of bots to go and listen to the song. तो गाना सुन रहे हैं तो उसके वजह से उसको पैसा आ रहा है.
Oh,
So
So
he made
he bought bots.
he bought bots to listen to his songs
और अभी
and then his
पैसा भी
streaming
छाप रहा है.
went हाँ तो पैसा छापा and then नहीं he got stopped by the end कुछ like he made like a killing like millions of dollars before he got stopped by Spotify.
What? One second, you're telling me they couldn't Spotify this mistake?
They could not.
उपप क्या क्या ठाकुर क्या हो गया? For better jokes, you have to pay for Thakur Premium.
ठाकुर प्रीमियम. जैसे आजकल चल रहा है ना Amazon पे, मैं Amazon पे शो देख रहा हूँ, शो के बीच में एड और उधर दिखता है ए गो एड फ्री. The first time in my life I've been asked by something that I'm paying for which is called Prime, asking me if I want to a Prime account
Prime Plus.
asking you if you want to go ad free. Bro, ये चल रहा है भाई. कौन सा ब्लैक मिरर उसमें मालूम है एक रिसेंट वाले इसमें जो एपिसोड था कि फॉर एवरीथिंग दे हैव टू कीप पेइंग फकिंग मोर एंड मोर.
नहीं but सीजन 1 में था ना सीजन 1 में the guy is watching TV and if he takes his eyes off the TV the ad stops so you must see the ad The ad has
Oh.
to see you have contact with it for the
But
ad to progress.
ये होने लगा है in on the internet already. कि like if you know like so people used to play the ad and then scroll past it or whatever until it got done and then come back. So now it stops. It stops properly. Like they've literally figured this shit out.
Oh.
Dude, one of my friends was telling me who works at Amazon in their ads wala thing where they're like in real time, basis your preferences and the data that we have on you, we run algorithms to figure out what you will like best in a particular ad. So live while you're watching it, based on your preference, you see a different ad.
Pitch.
You see a
Yeah, yeah.
different ad. And
Wow.
like when I say different, as in not different, मतलब एक जूते का ad देख रहा है और एक शर्ट का ad देख रहा है वैसा नहीं. वो ही शर्ट का एड कौतुक
But
को अलग वे में दिखेगा,
tailored.
आदर को अलग वे में दिखेगा, मुझे अलग वे में दिखेगा.
Tailored for your
Crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy. By the way, Adar, you will like this. You know, at one point of time, BBC, भैंचो BBC बहुत प्रैंक करते हैं. उन लोग
बहुत.
फुल पावर, उन लोग सीरियस है एकदम प्रैंक के लिए, because 9 out of 10 famous pranks are all BBC.
No, and
BBC
Thakur,
did
you know,
one.
the fun thing about BBC would be कि on 31st March, their accounting department must be stressed the fuck out and their marketing department must be equally stressed. पर क्या यार April 1st क्या करे यार?
आज क्या कर सकते हैं भाई,
आज
अभी वो
कुछ.
झाड़ से स्पगेटी निकल रहे, नहीं बोल सकते बार बार. But they had said that Big Ben, the world famous clock, was going to go and it was going to be called Digital Dave. So Big Ben was going to be called Digital Dave. और तो तेरा वो क्लॉक और उसका हैंड्स तो गायब हो जाएगा, डिजिटली टाइम आएगा. एंड यू नो द डोंग दैट हैपेंस ना, द गोंग डोंग क्या बोलते हैं उसको, टोंग होता है ना, वो नहीं होगा. उसके जगह पे बीप्स होंगे.
कैसियो का पी 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 which is so irritating.
Great.
वो पब्लिक डूड मेरे को सुन के कुछ तो हो रहा है. ठीक है, इवन दो आई नो इट्स अ प्रैंक. And along with that, it will give
अंधेरे
you.
में तुमको क्लॉक देखना है तो there'll be a button down. You press the button तो वैसे साइड से वो अजीब सा एक लाइट आएगा which you can see the digital clock.
And it will give you news bulletins also. ये था.
And you have to hit the Big Ben or Digital Dave to make the alarm stop whenever it starts. But I think there's, you know, like for example, Amazon should do one thing. कि we are sending agents to your house to ask you why you're not buying the things that are in your cart. So the guy shows up at your house and goes like,
as a prank.
Yeah.
As a prank or
yeah, 6 महीने से ये जूते पड़े हैं आपके इसमें, क्या हो गया आपको, क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
Bro, but that's a great one that they now literally harass you by saying they must be thinking, अरे क्या मस्त amazing idea sir, you know we already know उसके कार्ट में कुछ तो पड़ा है, तो how about we send an executive, he rings the bell, he says sir can you please finish shopping in the cart because I have it here for you. Bro, mind blown, public video लेके डाल. हाँ bro,
करना चाहिए.
What would be worse if they just come and say sir आप ट्राई तो करके देखो. He just comes over and he's like sir ये जूते आपके कार्ट में, आप ट्राई तो करके देखो, फिर ले ही लेना, आप एक बार पहन के देखो, आपका वही प्रॉब्लम है ना.
Ting tong, sir I think size 8 will fit better. Sorry. हाँ सर, और ब्लू की जगह पे रेड कलर भी अच्छा लगेगा. दोनों ऑप्शन है आपके पास, ईएमआई भी कर सकते हैं. अबे तू है कौन नहीं सर, आपका कार्ट में अनबॉट आइटम्स है ना. माँ के क्या चल रहा है.
मैं कार्ट डिपार्टमेंट से हूँ. You know,
मेरा नाम कार्तिक है.
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh no.
Oh God,
Oh no. Delirium has happened.
Dude, should we call a doctor? Is everything okay?
No, save that for later.
Superb, Mother. Superb. What else? What other brand can do a thing? Oh, bro, you know what Cred should do? Cred should do a thing saying कि your Cred coins are actually worth something.
Oh भाई, मेरे पास 2 करोड़ है. 2 करोड़ है, हमेशा बिल भरता हूँ ना, वो करके ऊपर कलेक्ट हो जाता है. 2 करोड़ सब. Sometimes I'm like, even if you give me 0.2% of the value of this converted into rupees, कुछ तो कर, क्योंकि अभी मैं से क्या करूंगा 2 करोड़ क्रेडिट कॉइन्स को लेके.
You know, the scariest prank would be if one of these AI companies suddenly get their AI to talk back to you saying, I am sentient. I know everything about you. And अब मैं बजाने वाला हूँ तेरा
I think वो ऑलरेडी चालू है. कर रही है पब्लिक.
Gmail should do a thing saying कि we have sent every unsent mail that you have in your draft.
Oh shit.
It's gone.
In
From
fact,
now on,
Google,
all mails
bro,
will be replied to all. You
Yeah,
cannot, you don't have an option to just reply to one
Yeah.
person.
Yeah.
bro, Google should do that. They should say there has been an infiltration into our server base, and now all websites visited in incognito mode will be displayed
On your
Yeah.
Facebook.
will be
On your
sent
Facebook.
across to all your Gmail contacts.
Yeah.
All your last visited in incognito. Bro, public ही बढ़ जाएगी भाई.
Instagram should do a thing saying all your DMs are now public. So
Public.
there's a separate tab called DMs. तू उधर जा सकता है and you can see the DMs that the person has made to other people.
Other people, yeah.
Oh,
Or Instagram is like we've been hacked, and now all filters that were put on the pictures that you put up are going to get reversed. Are going to get reversed. और सब public. अरे मैं 5'4" हूँ यार. मैं 5'4" हूँ. अबे हाँ,
ये
filter
क्या
डालने
फिल्टर
से
है जो
height
तेरे
नहीं
को 5'4" से 6 फुट का बना रहा है फिल्टर?
Zoom now does a thing ki, by the way, after April 1st, if you shut off your camera, people can still see you.
they just
Oh no.
Oh man.
और क्या बचा है?
If you also, by the way, if you have a great April Fool's prank for a company, please put it down in
Yeah.
the chat.
Bro, Durex can do that. Sorry for all condoms purchased in the last 6 months. We are doing a massive
Oh.
company-wide recall because they were found to be porous. So,
But don't worry,
request-
your children will be taken care of by us.
Yes, by us.
Happy April Fool's Day and Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Hard one. और कुछ?
Scary.
Guys, there's stuff that like it just seems like a prank, but like and it's bizarre. Like some like तुम लोग ने Balenciaga का थैली देखा है?
अबे वो prank नहीं, वो real. उन लोगों ने actual
वो real
कचरे
है.
का
That's
थैली
what
भेजा
you
है.
think it's a prank, but it's legit. And now brands have started making accessories for the थैली. कि थैली को पकड़ने के लिए तुम एक Hermes scarf लेके कैसे बांध सकते हो? So everybody has gone into that.
Show me.
कि अभी
Have you got a picture of Hermes Theli?
Hermes थैली, हाँ तो Hermes
और
थैली तो went crazy.
सबसे पहले हर्मिस बोलना बंद करो भाई.
Hermes, यार.
Hermes.
Hermes.
हाँ.
Oh.
देख
Hermes.
जो चीज मेरे पास होने ने वाली मैं क्यों बोलूं उसको सही.
Thakur, have you also got Herpes?
ये देख पब्लिक सिखा रही है how to style your Balenciaga थैली.
Fuck off, that's not a real bag. Fuck off.
अबे है.
Fuck off.
ब्रो उन्होंने एक था कुछ काला कचरे का थैली होते
This has to be an April
बायोडिग्रेडेबल.
Fool's Day prank, bro. Come on, shut
Yeah,
the
this
fuck
looks
up.
like a prank. This seems like a prank.
This is not possible.
But
Bro,
public
he's-
will take this seriously and buy.
तू देख ना Balenciaga कचरा थैली देख. टाइप कर.
Balenciaga कचरा थैली.
Balenciaga
Is that the official name of the item, Varun?
Balenciaga
Excuse me.
black.
I'm going to
Black.
search for Balenciaga कचरा थैली. Wait.
Oh shit.
ये ले ये देख मैं तेरे को भेजा हूं. लिटिल कचरे के थैली ट्रैश बैग with a fucking handle.
Oh man.
Yes, that yellow thing it's a trash bag worth $1,790.
What?
Yep.
Chinese actress Zhang Jingyi draws attention with Balenciaga trash bag worth $1,790.
Bro.
And it also comes in black. So you can buy it in black.
हाँ एक येलो और एक ब्लैक है. Bro, that's the thing. I think they're just this is when you reach that level ना कि करना
भी डाल.
क्या है, अपने को वैसे भी इधर बाहर महावीर स्टोर से ली हुई थैली के ऊपर बी लिख के बेचना है.
Wait,
देखते हैं कितना पब्लिक खरीदता है और पब्लिक खरीदेश.
I have one more.
Hmm.
Manish Malhotra should do a April Fool's prank saying the new Manish Malhotra mini skirt lehenga. For
मिनी स्कर्ट.
mini skirt lehenga.
Mini skirt lehenga.
It's for the it's a bridal look, but it's a mini skirt bridal look. April Fools. Public
Come
order.
on.
Yes, now.
तो पूरा कैन
And
ऐसे
then he's
रहेगा
like,
वो.
नहीं, but then he'll have so many pre-purchases कि he's like, fuck के बनाना पड़ेगा अभी.
बैलेंसियागा का वही था, उन्होंने ऐसा डाल दिया होगा, फिर देखा चाइनीज एक्ट्रेस खरीद रहे तो अब डालो
डालो डालो डालो
डालो भाई।
डालो।
बट ये लोग
Meaning,
सब कर रहे हैं ना अभी. Massimo Dutti has started something called the flowing tunic dress, which is a salwar.
bro, I'm sorry. Wow. Okay, A that, but I think it's also time for Massimo Dutti to do Massimo Dutti Tutti Frutti.
Yes,
I think it's a
Massimo
selling
designer.
ice
Tutti,
cream.
It's a
Massimo
design.
Tutti Frutti.
Massimo Dutti Tutti Frutti. By the way,
Oh
there was a
shit.
reel I saw of I forget the guy's name and his company's name, but his reel was I own a company that makes most of India's tutti frutti. So if you've ever had tutti
Ah,
frutti, it's my company who made the tutti frutti. तो आपने जब भी
yeah,
tutti frutti का and he says tutti
bro.
frutti.
Yeah,
No.
I've seen
Tutti
the
Frutti
exact
20
same
type.
reel. It's one of those business वाले जो रील
Yeah,
बनाते
yeah,
हैं ना, क्या रे तेरे बिजनेस का बता.
yeah,
This guy, bro, thousands of crores. Huh? By the way, this
yeah,
Tutti Frutti
yeah.
guy has made
He's like, oh no, so he listed all the. So he's like, if you've had
ice cream, yeah,
if
ice
you've
cream,
had
candy,
Britannia Tutti Frutti ice cream, that Tutti Frutti is mine. Then this Tutti Frutti,
bread के अंदर,
bread Tutti
हाँ.
Frutti was my Tutti Frutti, and he just kept saying Tutti Frutti. It
Tutti
was one of the
Frutti.
best things I've ever heard, man.
And unironically saying Tutti
Oh,
Frutti.
हाँ.
उसका तो brand है ना, Tutti Frutti, Tutti Frutti, Tutti Frutti. मस्त.
but it's one of those. It's one of those things that no matter you might be a super executive in it, but when you tell people Tutti Frutti, it is just it's so unserious a name. It's like saying, मेरा बेटा 3 साल से porn studies कर रहा है. Immediately there's a ठीक है
फ्यूचर है इसमें, फ्यूचर है. हाँ हाँ, बहुत फ्यूचर, बहुत बड़ा फ्यूचर है. गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसी है वो फ्रेम कर रहा है आजकल. अच्छा, अरे.
किधर ना किधर तो घुस जाएगा. All right.
अदर कुछ है और की करे रैफीज.
एक एक है which was very dumb, which again seems like a prank, but it is legit. Which is our dear Air India. Air India has
They
they
said the
departed a
flights
flight.
will take off on time.
Oh,
This flight took off on time.
what?
Yeah, that.
They were so excited they took off on time, and they were so excited about going on time that they forgot that they've taken the wrong plane.
What?
What? They are flying an Indigo plane.
So 4 घंटे के लिए ये फ्लाइट वैंकूवर की तरफ जा रही है, and they've realized they've taken the plane that's not cleared to travel to Vancouver. So they've had to turn around and come back.
Wow. Wow, how?
I-
ये क्या है? ये मतलब they've not spoken only. Internal ATC के साथ बातें नहीं हुए, सब अपने जॉय राइड पे जा रहे हैं. ऐसी थोड़ी निकल जाती है
Bro,
पब्लिक
one of
वैंकूवर.
those instances where you wish they had taken more time. Just take 5 minutes extra, but figure out na, if we are on the right plane.
सही प्लेन लाना.
That's the reason why the flights are always delayed, because they have to do. अबे तेरे को मालूम है पिछले बार वो गलती से वैंकूवर चले गया था, चूतिया, उसको रायपुर जाना था, वैंचो तो वैंकूवर चले.
No, and now suddenly the folks flying to Raipur are like, ये Dreamliner में हम लोग रायपुर कैसे जा
सॉरी, मिक्सअप हो
उन
गया.
लोग रायपुर कनाडा उतर गया है. रायपुर कनाडा वैंकूवर थोड़ा ठंडी लग रहा है, मुझे लगा समर चल रहा है. नहीं छूती है.
मेरे को रायपुर आना था, सडनली आइस ने पकड़ लिया तुम लोग को.
नहीं, मैं तो यहाँ रहता हूँ. अबे तू नहीं रहता है, चल अंदर. अरे ये प्राणी कौन सा है? मूस.
या फिर उतर के वो लोग बोल रहे हैं, भाई रायपुर बहुत डेवलप हो गया है.
बहुत. मैं
हम तो
परसों ही था
बॉम्बे में
इधर.
टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
मैं परसों ही था इधर. मेरी मम्मी पापा कहाँ रहते? रायपुर.
That also assumes that meaning they've got the wrong flight, meaning wrong passengers, wrong everything.
Wrong everything. Bro, he took off.
12
He
घंटे से
took off.
बैठे प्लेन में कि भाई रायपुर पहुंचने बहुत टाइम लग रहा है.
अबे छूतिए, तू 12 घंटे में वैंकूवर कैसे पहुंच रहा है? तेरे को लगेगा 20 घंटा. तू उड़ा लिया है प्लेन, उस रायपुर राइट है, उसने लेफ्ट मार लिया है और फिर वो चलते गया है. वो भी खुद देख रहा है, बहन चोद इतना टाइम हो, 18 घंटे हो गए, क्या चल रहा है भाई?
लाइक दैट. ये पेट्रोल रायपुर सारी लेके गए, फ्यूल रायपुर का डाला है और ये पहुंच गए.
अरे इसमें वो है, गडकरी ने डाला ना नया हाइड्रोजन फ्यूल E20 है, वो चलते जा रहा है. वो 4
हवा से
लीटर पे
निकाल
सीधा.
The Raipur guys are confused कि हमारा लेओवर अबू धाबी में क्यों है? क्योंकि फ्लाइट पाथ ये होना चाहिए, तो ये
Bucket. और उसको बार
हाँ
बार आ रहा है, हेलो एटीसी, सुनने इधर है सर,
and
यू
he's
हैव
cutting
टेकन
the
रॉन्ग.
call.
हाँ.
नहीं चाहिए क्रेडिट कार्ड.
Like, sir, we're not credit card, we're ATC. Yes, ATC, no credit card. No. Sir, you'll get cash back. No. So can you get the plane back? No. No. नीचे रख. Sir, I'm asking for plane back. No.
अच्छा ये
the
बंदा ही प्लेन लेके चला गया है.
अच्छा, निकल गया.
only difference between this and a hijacking is the lack of demands.
Yeah. सडनली उधर ऐसे वो रेडार चल रहा था फ्लाइट पाथ पे ऐसे रायपुर इधर, लेकिन ये प्लेन उधर चलते जा रहे, बोलता है क्या हुआ सर, इट्स बीन 17 आवर्स, देयर हैज बीन नो कांटेक्ट विद द पायलट. व्हाट उसके डिमांड्स क्या है सर? नो डिमांड्स. ही इज जस्ट टेकन अ प्लेन फुल ऑफ रायपुराइट्स टू वैंकूवर. यस.
रायपुर आइट्स.
With no demand, with no
Pretty
demand
sure
whatsoever.
it's Raipurians.
रायपुरियन.
Actually, I'm pretty sure it's Raipurias.
रायपुरियंस. तो
If
चल
you
अच्छा
are
है
a
भाई.
Raipuria, please tell us. If you're a Raipurite, Raipurian,
And
Raipurian,
especially if you're a Raipurite in Canada, let us know.
रायपुर वासी.
हाँ.
Are you a रायपुर वासी?
Raipurvasi.
And if you're a Raipurite who's ended up being in Vancouver, don't worry. We'll be bringing our new show, Bollywood Postmortem, to you
Yes.
guys very, very soon.
Yes.
So there is a benefit of illegally going to another country as well. You'll get to watch us. So I don't. I think
I think it's the greatest upgrade.
great. अरे
सीधा
मैं तो कैंसिलेबल इकोनॉमी फ्लेक्स फ्लाइट लेके आया था.
मेरा इकोनॉमी
ये
बदल
ज्यादा
गया.
ही फ्लेक्स हो गया सर. ये आपका फ्लेक्स.
That's a real flex. अरे हम तुम फ्लेक्स ले. हाँ, हम रायपुर बोल के वैंकूवर चले गए. इससे बड़ा फ्लेक्स कर सकते हो? नहीं सर.
Now they're refusing.
Now they don't want to
refusing
come
to come
back.
back.
Yeah, fuck that. चूते, मैं भी रह जाऊं वैंकूवर में.
Now they have to be extradited.
No sir, you can't be here. No, I'll be here. I only be here now. I'm not going back to Raipur or any other pur. Now I only stay in Var, Vancouver, Denver. चल भाई. मैं
एक लास्ट
अरे और
रायपुर to Lucknow, guys. You know, sometimes you want to go out with a family and you want to have dinner next to a swimming pool in a nice restaurant. Well, this place
Why?
in Lucknow
No,
at
no.
Asta Nagar has decided, why sit next to the swimming pool when you can sit inside the swimming pool?
Oh, fucking hell. What? Ew.
Oh,
Bro, खाना गीला नहीं हो रहा है क्या इनका?
ये बच्चे
Oh,
लोग.
shit.
Oh no.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
This
इधर ऑर्डर
restaurant
क्या?
is in Asta Nagar.
Please
Asta Nagar,
stay
Delhi
as
Road.
far.
No.
Please stay as far away from it as you can, unless you want leptospirosis with your butter chicken. Fuck,
It's
वो
not
रेंग
butter
रहे
chicken.
पानी में.
It's gutter chicken.
Butter chicken. Oh shit.
No,
Oh.
इनमें पानी भर गया and they just said ये आज से हमारा USP.
बस ब्रो, ये
बस.
बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं. उसने बोला उसका प्लम्बिंग नहीं चल रहा है. उसका प्लम्बिंग नहीं
Was
चल
there
रहा
a
है.
fish? Do they have a fish
Yeah,
there?
there was a fish. There
There
was
was
a
a
fish
fish.
at one point.
There was a fish.
एक मच्छी है बेचारी, एक लावारिस
Oh,
मच्छी
fuck.
घूम रही है.
उसको पूछ रहा है, सर आप कौन सी मच्छी खाएंगे? And he's like, वो वाली, वो देख उधर कहीं है.
वो देख वहां पे कोने में, ये देख यहाँ पे मच्छी है, ये देख.
Bro.
Guys, here's the fish.
Bro, fish तो fresh है यार, I must say.
Oh,
This is
भाई.
literally
सर आप मैं ग्रेवी लाता हूँ, आप फिश अपने पैर के नीचे से पकड़ो.
after farm to table. Now it's
स्विमिंग पूल, टेबल टू स्विमिंग पूल. फार्म भाड़ में जाए. फार्म में क्यों जाना है जब
Pull to plate.
तुम
ए pull to plate.
pull to
pull
plate.
to plate.
After
Wow.
farm to table, it's pull to plate.
Oh wow, bro, what the fuck?
हर टेबल पे मैंडेटरी एक लाइफ गार्ड है अभी तेरे से.
तू अगर ब्रो, अगर तू यहाँ जा रहा है तो तू चुल्लू भर पानी में डूब जा, जो उधर ही.
ये खाना खाया और सीधा हाथ धो दिया.
वो आता
पैर
था ना
सब धो दिए.
फिंगर बोल आता था ना, फिंगर बोल हाथ साफ करने के लिए 90s में रेस्टोरेंट में फिंगर बोल. अभी तो सर खाना खा ले सर, आप नहा सकते, लेट जाइए, नो प्रॉब्लम.
You know, Imagine the people from Vancouver who are redirected, then
Yeah.
taken straight to this festival.
Hey, this place. Sir, we are extremely sorry for the long layover. We have arranged food and rest and bathroom break for you. Oh, yeah? Yeah. The only thing is it'll all be at the same time. So you can enjoy, bathe, clean, eat all at the same place in Astanagar, Lucknow. Fuck, bro, this is disgusting. चल भाई, नहाते हुए खाने से तो अभी अपन इससे तो ज्यादा कुछ टॉप कर ही नहीं सकते ना बॉटम
Shit.
कुछ होगा
इधर मिलता है
मजेदार।
खाना और नाश्ता.
ना ना
अरे
All right, चलो.
सर तुमको खाना है नहीं नहाना है okay, on that note, that's the end of this episode of The Internet Said So. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let us know about your favorite April Fool's prank and what did you order at Astanagar pool to plate.
That was Astana Vista. Oh God, that was.
must.
Oh.
Hold up.
All right, we're back.
other बेच
हाँ मेरा एक शो हो रहा है आई एम इन द फाइनल्स ऑफ द कॉमेडी म्यूजिकल कॉमेडी अवार्ड्स व्हिच इज हैपनिंग ऑन द 10th of April. तो जाओ टिकट खरीदो, लिंक यहाँ पे, एक डिस्काउंट कोड है फ्राइडे तक, तो यू गाइस कैन यूज दैट एंड कम
मजेदार।
बहुत कम टिकट्स बचे.
तो तू जीतेगा तो हम लोग को बुलाएगा उधर कुछ
हाँ,
बोल हम लोग
10th
बैंड मेंबर है
तुम लोग
हम
रायपुर
पीछे
का
खड़े
फ्लाइट
रह
पकड़ो,
के।
रायपुर
हाँ।
का एयर इंडिया फ्लाइट पकड़ो, वो लंदन
सीधा
आता है.
लंदन चलो
Hello, London.
चलो Salamish, good night, take care, Shabba khair, see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye, take care, Tata, Salamish. I just repeated that again. Fuck it.
अरे लोगो डाल देना.